Starting on the ground level, we're going to do supine spinal twists. Laying on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Drop both knees to one side, your arms spread wide. Allow gravity to do the work. Don't force the twist, just let your body settle into it. Breathe. Each breath creates a little more space. Your spine starts unwinding segment by segment. This is where you can actually feel what's happening. Your lower back releases, your mid-back opens up. You can sense which areas move easily and which don't. That's information for you. Some sections of your spine rotate freely, some are locked up from sitting all day. You're going to switch from side to side, staying in that position for a couple of seconds and feeling how your body feels and how it releases over time. Let each breath work deeper into the twist. You're going to complete 60 seconds total of work, moving from side to side. Next movement is thread the needle. Come to the hands and the knees. Thread your right arm under your left. Follow up with your eyes. Let your shoulder drop to the floor. You're rotating through your thoracic spine, your upper back, the area that gets locked up from sitting all day and hunching over screens. Your thoracic spine is designed to rotate, but most people have lost this ability completely. Their upper back is one rigid block. When your upper back can't rotate, your neck takes over, your lower back compensates, your shoulders don't work properly. Everything else works harder than it should. Breathe into this twist. Feel your shoulder blades settling against the floor. Feel your spine opening up. Switch sides, same thing. Let the movement be slow and controlled. You're going to complete 5 slow, controlled reps to each side, holding each bottom position for 3 to 5 seconds. Moving on to mid-level with kneeling thoracic rotations. You're going to kneel on one knee. The other foot is planted in front of you. One hand behind your head. Rotate and reach your elbow towards the ceiling. Lead with your eyes. Your head follows. Your spine follows. Everything connects. This is functional rotation. This is how you should be able to move when you reach for something high, when you look behind you, when you twist to grab something. If this feels impossible, that's fine. That means that you need it. Your body has forgotten this pattern. So go slow, feel where you get stuck. That's where the work is. Don't force range of motion. Just explore what you have and gradually your nervous system will give you more. Switch sides and do it on the other side. You're going to complete 8 to 10 controlled reps per. Next, we move into the low lunge with rotation. Back knee down, plant your hand on the inside of your front foot. Now rotate your opposite arm towards the ceiling. Feel how everything connects. Your hip opens, your spine rotates, your shoulder reaches. You're going to feel cracks in your spine, and that's totally normal. This isn't just a hip stretch. This isn't just a spinal twist. This is integration. Your hip, spine, and shoulder are all part of the same kinetic chain. When one moves, everything else responds. Most people stretch these areas separately, but your body doesn't work in separate pieces. It works as a whole unit. So breathe, let the rotation deepen naturally. Don't force it, don't push it. Switch sides and notice which side feels more open. That tells you where your body compensates. You're going to complete 30 to 45 seconds of movement per side. And finally, we move on to windmills. Feet wide, reach one hand down towards the opposite foot. Let your other hand reach up towards the ceiling. Your whole body spirals from your fingertips to your toes. This is 3-dimensional movement, rotation, flexion, and side bending all happening together. Most people can't do this anymore. Their hips don't rotate, their spine doesn't spiral, and everything moves in one flat plane. But you're building this back, one rep at a time. So go slow. Feel the spiral through your entire body. Control the descent, control the rise. This is functional strength through rotation, not just muscle, but coordinated, controlled, whole body movement. Switch sides, keep it smooth, keep it controlled. You're going to complete 8 to 12 controlled reps per side, getting deeper and deeper each time.